Okay, welcome to the tutorial on designing a timetable using chatgpt or using AI to design your timetable. Now, as you can see, this is chatgpt and it says at the top, here's that schedule creator. Okay, this is going to create a schedule for my studies. So I said, can you design a study timetable for me? And listen to what it says. To create a study timetable for you, I'll need the additional details. So it's asking for these additional details. So these AI tools are interactive AI tools. So especially ChatGPT, it's more like something that's more like an interactive thing, okay? And it's data driven. So a lot of the time you'd have to give it information and specifics. The accuracy of the information you get is largely based on the quality of the input you are giving. So your prompts have to be specific. I could have easily kept all the details of everything I needed at the top or my definition, saying, can you design a study timetable for me? But I didn't. So based on the information it's requesting, I move on to the next thing, right? Then I tell it what I need. So I say, my goal is to come up first class in my communication study. Duration is a month with 30-minute break after 2 hours of study, and there are 7 courses to study for. My focus is my final exam, and the format for the timetable, I want it to be both graphical and detailed, right? Good. Now, this is a specific prompt. I could still add some more details to this. I could still add any other thing I want it to look like, the colors, whatever it is, I could still add it. Now look at it. Here are some details they've added. First, you see key details. It says that the duration of my timetable is a 4-week timetable, right? And it goes Monday to Sunday. Now, I didn't specify as to the number of days I wanted to study, so it gave me all the days as the days in which I would study for my exam. Daily number of hours, you can see there and everything, right? So when we move further downwards, you would notice the timetable itself, and it says graphical weekly study timetable. And if you observe this timetable correctly, it says day, then the days you see Monday to Sunday, session, about 3 sessions, session 1, session 2, and session 3. Now if you observe the courses, it's A, B, C, D, E, and F, 7. So if I had said there are 7 courses, namely, if I had named the courses, it would pick the names of the courses that I have given and put them in that order, right? And if you observe below, you'll notice that there's a shuffle, right? Exactly. So on Wednesday, I'm studying G. On Wednesday second session is I'm studying course A. And then the third session on Wednesday, I'm studying course B. So it's not every day A, B, C, D, E, F. No, it's mixed up so that I can be able to touch each and every course properly, right? You notice some focus notes at the extreme right. Start with light core topics, revise Monday's notes for 15 minutes. Focus on weak areas in courses. Weak areas basically means areas that I am not very good at, right? So yeah, and that's our timetable. So you see the timetable really is something else, and you see it says detailed monthly plan. So there's a monthly plan on what I can do. And this is to help you study properly. You know, just focus on gaining foundational knowledge of all courses. For week 1, we have week 2, dive deeper into challenging topics. Yeah, and it goes on and on and on and on. And at the bottom, it gives tips to enhance efficiency. So it goes all the way to week 4, and then it gives tips to enhance efficiency or study efficiency. And this you can realize that these AI tools are not just AI tools or just to generate stuff, but they generate stuff in detail. Now, if you look further, you will notice something. It says, would you like me to visualize this in a calendar style format or make any adjustments, right? So I said, please visualize like a calendar, and you see there is a calendar. So specifics, right? It gives specifics. So if it gets to a point where you think you can still add something, and you can still add something. Now, this graphic is a weekly timetable down here, or from the monthly one. if I still wanted to add this or change the entire monthly timetable to this green one, this weekly one, I would still get the same thing. I can still put it in the prompt and get the same thing, right? It's that amazing. It's that amazing. It's beautiful though. Yeah, so basically this is it. This is it. Now there's a last part I'd like to show you at the bottom, and it would ask me if I want to make this available in a downloadable format, or I still want to make some adjustments. Now you see that I said make available in a downloadable PDF format, right? Yes, some of you may know what PDF format is, and yeah, that's solely what it is. So it's going to give me a download link. When I click on it, I get a PDF of this particular file that you're looking at, the green weekly one, to download, right? Yeah. So you see this weekly study timetable has been saved as a PDF. You can download it using the link below. Exactly. And it says, let me know if there's anything else you'd like to customize or add. Good. So there's our PDF link. There's our PDF link. Good. So even though we are at this point whereby I'm trying to download this particular one, I can still be able to make adjustments or corrections to my timetable if the need be. Okay, this is how beautiful this thing is. So yeah, there's still more we can do with this. Stay on and stay close, let me just say. I'll also give you more tips on how to use ChatGPT to do extra stuff, not just for your studies, but for business and work. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day. I'll see you. Bye-bye.